Once upon a time, in the sparkling, clear waters of the great blue ocean, lived a curious young dolphin named Bluey. Bluey was special not only because of his bright blue skin that shimmered in the sun, but also for his big heart and adventurous spirit. One day, Bluey overheard the other sea creatures talking about a hidden coral garden, a place with the most colorful, magical corals and plants. No one had been there in ages because it was at the far edge of the ocean. Determined to see it, Bluey set off on an adventure, swimming fast and flipping in excitement. Along the way, he met many friendly sea creatures: a shy sea turtle named Shelley, a playful clownfish named Bubbles, and even a wise old octopus called Ink. Each of them had advice for Bluey. Beware of the dark currents, warned Shelley. Stay close to the light, added Bubbles. Ink offered. Always listen to your heart, young one. After a long journey, Bluey finally found the corral garden. It was even more beautiful than he imagined, full of colors and strange plants that seemed to glow. Bluey played there, feeling grateful for his friend's guidance. But when it was time to go home, he realized he was lost. Remembering his friend's advice, he followed the glowing corals back to the brighter waters and safely returned home. From then on, Bluey was known as the bravest dolphin in the ocean. And every once in a while, he'd take his friends to visit the coral garden, sharing its magic with them.